Hey guys, I got a 2009 Nissan Altima. It's the 4-cylinder, and I'm having trouble with the key. When you hit the brake, and try to start it, it does not work. You can see, push the brake. That's what you get. Okay, so what this means is the little switch on the brake pedal, when you push it, it disengages a switch there, which allows the motor to crank. When you get down on the brake pedal, when you push this pedal, there's two switches there. This is the one you need to change, and to pull it out, you simply turn it to the left, and it comes right out of there. You see that? If you just let this hang, you can still crank your car. Okay, so let's try to crank it. Cranks right up. So if you're in a bind and you cannot, before you can replace this switch that's hanging down, just leave it hanging. It'll get you cranked, it'll get you on your way, but you need to push that in and turn it counterclockwise, and it will hang down and get you out of a tight situation, and you can go. Anyway, good luck, and replace that switch as soon as you can. Just that's a temporary fix. Later. So this is the part that you need. It's just that when the brake is pushed, it's out, and when it's in, when the brake, you're not pushing it, and then when you push it, it comes out. But this, just twist in there counterclockwise. Make sure that you get the genuine Nissan part rather than this aftermarket part. I put this on about a year and a half ago, and it's already done. The Nissan authentic, Nissan genuine part will last much longer. So it's worth $5 more just to get the factory part rather than the aftermarket part.